If you're a small creator on YouTube with less than 1,000 subscribers, you absolutely need to hear about this brand new policy change coming directly from YouTube. Previously, in order to get monetized on YouTube, so essentially making money through AdSense, you needed to reach a requirement of 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 watch hours, which could be so difficult for smaller creators to hit. But now, no more do you need those requirements. You can now be pushed into a monetization program with just 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours. Alternatively, if you're creating shorts content on YouTube, they've lowered the requirements from 10 million shorts views all the way down to 3 million shorts views within a 90-day period. This has made the process of getting monetized on YouTube so much easier and is allowing smaller creators to start earning money earlier in their content creation career. Now, there is a caveat to this update. Now, although if you hit something like 500 subscribers, you will be presented with the brand new partnered program for smaller creators. However, you won't get access to the AdSense or ad monetization features which channels like myself get access to. This basically means that you won't be able to make money off ads on YouTube, which is very unfortunate. However, with this new requirement, you will get access to features like Super Chat at 500 subscribers and other monetization features that can directly benefit your growth on YouTube and earn you more income. Another downside, however, though, is that they're only rolling out this policy to a select amount of countries. I believe like the UK, Thailand, Canada are a few amongst those. So I'll make sure to include an article down below which includes all the countries that have access to this new update, and you guys can see if your country is in there. Now, just because you can't make money on AdSense at 500 subscribers doesn't mean you can't generate a massive profit through super chats, super thanks, and this is due to something I like to call a small channel appeal. Now, you ever think about the kid that goes door to door that sells like Girl Scout cookies or offers lawn care services, and ever wonder why people are so open to giving them money for their service or product? Now, why would people rather purchase cookies from a kid going door to door or a lawn service from a 16-year-old that may not be up to standard to the professionals? Well, this is because of the small channel appeal. We're more likely to donate or give money to the smaller guys because at the end of the day, no one wants to funnel more money into people that are already successful and rich. But as a small creator, you can use that to your advantage. I know myself, I'd personally rather donate to a small Twitch streamer with like 10 viewers than a massive Twitch streamer like XQC who has thousands of viewers, is making millions of dollars per month, and doesn't need my $1.50 donation. So with access to things like Super Chat or YouTube Shopping, which are all features that are presented at the 500 subscriber milestone mark, you can start promoting these features to your viewers, and you'll actually be surprised on how well they work for you, as your audience is going to be more inclined to help support your channel, especially if it's very small and just starting up and they find value in your content. And that leads into my next point, which is ensuring your content provides value to the viewer. Now, in order to provide value to the viewer, you have to either do A, some type of educational video, or B, some type of entertaining video, which keeps the viewer entertained and feels like their time wasn't wasted and they enjoyed the time watching your video. Now, the best way to do this is picking the right niche, and in order to pick the right niche, you have to find something that you genuinely enjoy. If you plan to make a YouTube channel based upon automobiles, but you don't know anything about cars and don't even care about cars, the channel is never going to take off because you don't have interest in the topic and you just don't have the knowledge either. This is why picking a niche that you are deeply invested in and have a lot of knowledge within is vital to a successful YouTube channel. It's also going to allow you to create way higher quality content because you have so much knowledge on the topic or the niche, and you can provide a lot of value to the table. Just take my YouTube channel for example. I teach people how to make money online and how to build successful YouTube channels, and because I've been doing it for so long, I have a ton of knowledge to share to the audience, which is you guys. Now, the next step is deciding between long form content and short form content, as there is technically two different ways that you can get monetized with this new policy. Now, my personal opinion, and this might be biased because I make long form content, I genuinely think it's a lot easier to get monetized on YouTube creating long form content than it is short form content. Keep in mind, to get monetized with long form content in this brand new policy update, you only need 5 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours. Now 3,000 watch hours may seem like a lot, but realistically you need one video that's maybe like 6 to 8 minutes long to get 100,000 views, and bam, you are instantly monetized on YouTube. It's really that easy. On the flip side, if you decide to go with the shorts route, I feel like it's going to be a lot more difficult unless you have a video that just absolutely pops off. Now they did lower the requirement from 10 million views to 3 million views in 90 days, but even 3 million views on YouTube Shorts can be difficult to come by, especially if you're a small creator just starting out. Additionally, when you're creating your short form content, it will be a lot harder to get conversions, like trying to get people to purchase a super chat or purchase a product you have on your YouTube shopping page, because short form users are just scrolling through shorts and don't take the time of day to actually check out a creator's promotions or products that they're selling. That's why long form content is so much better for conversions, because you create a deeper connection just because the video is that much longer. So those were kind of my thoughts on the new YouTube policy update, and if you want to learn more on how to be a YouTuber, I have a link down in the description to join my Discord server. I have some really big things going on there. Also make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.